Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a applied visual design tutorial on freeCodeCamp. We're going to learn how to change the font size in your CSS. So the font size property is used to specify how large the text is in a given element. And here's the examples. So H1 tag is 68 pixels is the unit measure, the size, and then the units as well. It doesn't have to be pixels as well. So for this example, we just want to change the style tags from this HTML to what they have here. So all we have to do is identify each one of them. So first one, H1. So H1 curly brackets, font size, and 68 pixel. And as we can see, the font size changes. And we can just copy it for all 6 of them. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you change the H2. And we change this to 52. H3 to 40. H4 to 32. H5 to 21. H6 to 14. And there you go. These sizes are all different. Thank you.